Wow, super simple to do this effect. Check it out in this next video right now. Right guys, in this one I'm just going to show you quickly how I did that pop-out effect at the start of this video. It's super simple if you're using the background remover from FX Factory, and I'm just going to show you quickly how you do it. So first off, you want to duplicate your clips and put them on a timeline above, nice and simple. And then you're going to need one of those CinemaScope style PNG files. Just Google it, you'll find one super simple. I've got mine here, and we're going to drag it in between the footage, and we will do it just to there for you, and same on the other clip. We'll just do it here. At the moment you are not going to see anything happen. Okay, now the magic is with the effect that I'm using. Like I said, it's background remover. It's available to trial yourself from FX Factory. It's available for Final Cut Pro, I think, and not Final Cut Pro and Adobe Premiere Pro, I think, and After Effects. But I'm using it on Final Cut Pro. That's the editing software I use. Super simple. So what we're going to do is put that effect onto each top clip, as you can see there. Now again, you don't see anything until this arrives and the magic happens. Super simple. There she is. She's popping out of the screen. It looks great as well if you can add some text here maybe, or you know, somewhere. It just gives that little bit of a 3D effect, and it just gives you that little extra dimension to your footage. Again, same on this one. Playing fine. Soon as we get the bars, it's like she's out of the frame. Anyway, you get the idea. I'm not going to mess around. I just want these videos to be nice and quick. You can see the effect there. She's out of the frame. She's back in the frame. Out, in. Super simple. Nice and effective. And it's easy to use. Look, again, photo editing, video editing, it's about making your life simple. If you've got to purchase something to do that and it's going to be beneficial to you, it's worth that outlay. Don't be tight. Don't be stingy. Make life easy. Simple as that. That's all I can say. Okay, see you in the next one.